The intensity of the first sound is subject to considerable variation due to a variety of physiological factors, including 1. Chest wall shape and thickness. The thinner the chest, the louder the sound. 2. The rate of rise of ventricular pressure. The more energy behind ventricular contraction, the louder the sound. 3. The position of the mitral valve at the onset of ventricular systole. The wider open the mitral valve, the louder the sound. 4. The stiffness, i.e. calcification, of the AV valves. The stiffer the valve, the softer the sound. When the first sound is louder than the second, an impression of coming down the musical scale is perceived. When the first sound is softer than the second, the impression is that of going up the musical scale. Listen now to a loud first sound followed by a softer second sound. Now, listen to a softer first sound followed by a louder second sound.